Hey YouTube, if you see that your Dawn Power Wash spray bottle is giving you problems, it's malfunctioning, or the squeeze handle here is bending right here, right in the middle, and no product is coming out. You could buy a new bottle if you want to, or you can just stick to the refills and buy a better built bottle from Walmart. And this bottle here is a continuous spray bottle. Both of them are continuous spray bottles, but the difference is that this Equate bottle has a trigger handle that has a thicker plastic, and it'll take the squeezes much better than the Dawn Power Wash bottle. And both of them are continuous spray bottles. So, but you get a better bottle out of the Equate version. The Equate bottle is about less than $7, but it's well worth it if it's a one-time investment for the life of the bottle. I don't know how long it'll last, but this bottle here from Dawn Power Wash, it's the first time I used it, and it started bending on me on the first use. So it's already given out on me. So hopefully this will help you out.